This is a 22 News Storm Team weather alert.
And welcome to 22 News at 11 on this snowy Thursday night. I'm Barry Krieger.
And I'm Ashley Afonso. It's a nasty night on the roads. We've been tracking countless spin-outs and accidents, and we have several inches of snow on the ground in western Massachusetts, creating dangerous conditions for drivers.
22 News working for you with live team coverage tonight. We begin with 22 News reporter Haley Crumblehome, who is tracking conditions on the MassPike.
State and local police have been dealing with spin-outs and accidents all night long, and the Mass Department of Transportation has had to lower the speed limit on the Pike to 40 miles per hour. I'm in Chicopee. You can see their entrance and exit to the MassPike behind me here. It's pretty empty right now, and people have certainly been taking it slow. We have seen a few plows out so far tonight, but definitely a lot of snow still on the roads. This evening, a tractor-trailer truck jackknifed on the MassPike in Berkshire County just before 9 o'clock. Currently, there is only one lane of travel open on the westbound side. And State Police Sergeant Paul Sullivan told 22 News the big rig spun out on the westbound side of the Pike at mile marker 8.6. That's 2 miles past exit 2 in Lee. And earlier tonight, several cars crashed and spun out on the Pike in Palmer. This was a multi-car crash involving 4 or 5 vehicles, and there was an ambulance there on site. We have no specific details, but traffic was moving on that part of the Pike. Sergeant Sullivan told 22 News that by 7:30 tonight, the Westfield State Police Barracks had already dealt with 13 spinouts. Road conditions are not good right now, and you should not be on the roads unless it is absolutely necessary. Be safe out there. And reporting live in Chicopee, Haley Crumblehome, 22 News.